Growth is you are expanding an area beyond what before was your limitation, your field of what you know.
When your body is relaxed and your mind is still, you create a fertile ground for awareness to blossom. In that comfort, you begin to observe yourself without judgment. You listen deeply, and in that listening, growth happens. A martial artist does not tense his body at every moment. He flows. His mastery lies not in constant strain, but in the seamless balance between power and peace. In comfort, he refines his movement. In comfort, he learns precision. In comfort, he grows.
Sometimes do things, invest your energy, but which is not directly benefiting you.
To teaching others, helping others.
Sharing others, supporting others, helping other people to find a way of life. So meaning you consciously take the decision knowing, so I can choose right now. With my time right now, I could either make more money for myself, or with my time right now, I can support the generation of money, but I don't even want it because I just want the other ones to understand something about this lifetime. And this is also a type of, so what is it that you're doing and why would you do that? Because there's something about you as a human being, knowing that you are still connected to all the ones that you just tried to support along their way, because we are all on our own ways, but we're all on the way and we all suffer and we all have our problems.
Growth is not about forcing yourself to move faster. It is about being so present, so at ease with your breath, that your next step arises naturally. Comfort is not the enemy of growth. It is the resting place where your strength is restored, the space where clarity dawns. You can grow when comfortable, because it is in comfort that you can finally hear your inner voice. In the teachings of nature, a tree grows, not because it is constantly shaken by the wind, but because it is rooted in stable ground and nourished by light. The same is true for you. Before we begin Shi Heng Yi's Qigong practice to strengthen your lungs and body, let's take a moment to prepare our minds.
Number 1, simple exercise. Fingers, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring, small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Afterwards, wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other direction. 1, 2.
This movement is not just physical, it is energetic. You are opening your chest, not just to oxygen, but to courage, to love, to the energy of life. With every inhale, you feed your body. With every exhale, you release tension.
The next joint, elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Elbow joints. Next one, shoulder, rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving more in spine upwards. Head. 1, 2, 3.
Visualize warm energy flowing from your chest down to your center. Feel your whole body strong, balanced, and calm.
9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And tilting the back, tilting the head left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're at the center spine here. Weight first on the right leg, left toe, lift up, turn, then turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the spine. Close the fingers. Place them behind the head. And rest here 36 seconds. Round the back. Inhale. Exhale. In and out. Round the back. In.
Your chest is not just muscle. It is the gateway to breath, to spirit, to emotional strength. Strengthening it through Qigong doesn't mean tension. It means resilience. Soft, yet powerful. Open, yet protected.
Use the weight of the arms to just open the back. Yeah, relax the muscles. 2 more times. Inhale and relax. 1 more time. Inhale and relax. Drop the hands. Now, starting from the ankle, knee, thighs, hip, lower spine. Roll, roll, roll. Come up. Slow. Then down again. And rolling the body up, starting from the ankles, knees, spine. Ankles, knees, hips, spine, wave up. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3. Hands on the waist. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
It builds strength from the center, inside your heart, your lungs, your breath.
9. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only the lower spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Feet together. Knees touch. Place your hands on the knees. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shift the weight onto the right leg. Lift the left knee, ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Place the foot down. Shift the weight. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back to the center. Start breathing 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. One more time, small. Inhale. Exhale.
Practice this every morning, and your body will grow stronger, your breath will become deeper, and your mind will become still.